today. Jolly Phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly Phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly Phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly Phonics, for every child today.
Parents and children, good day and welcome to Jolly Phonics' second lesson. But before we start, let us quickly revise what we have done in the previous lesson. Do you remember this letter sound? Children, give me the sound. S. Very good. So can you show me the action of this letter sound? Great. Let me join you and do it together. Remember to curve your hand like a snake head. Let's go. S. Action again. S. And again. S. Very good. So let us look at the next lesson after a short revision. Story, story. Good. Story, story, story. Do you like my story? I know you say yes. So, ants climb on Adam's hands. What happened? He flicked the ants off his hands, saying, ah, 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 ah. Wow, children, can we join Adam and these together? Let's go. Ah, 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 ah. Again, ah, 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 and again, ah, 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 ah. So from this story, can you give me the sound that Adam produced when flicking the ants of his hands? Good, ah, and you? Good, ah. Okay, very good. Another question. Show me the action that Adam did when flicking the ants of his hands. Very good. Ah, 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 ah. Interesting. Can we do it again? Ah, 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 ah. Action again. Ah, 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 ah. Very good. So this is the sound you hear in the story. This is the what? The sound you hear in the story. Say the sound. Ah, very good. Say it again. Ah, very good. So, now we are going to write this letter sound on the board. But before we go, do you remember the type of letter sounds we have according to their shape? Is this a giraffe with a long neck, monkey tail, or turtle letter sound? Turtle letter sound, very good. So here we go on the board. You say it's turtle, so we are going to write it in between the two blue lines. So here we go. Start from the point. Yes, of course. Curve in, go up, come down with a flick. Let me take it again. Start from the point, curve in, go up, come down with a flick. I will take it again, children. Start from the point, curve in, go up, come down with a flick. Very good. So this letter sound is turtle letter sound. And that's why we write it in between the two blue lines. Are you following? Inky? Very good. So let us write this letter sound in the air. For the first time, you are going to listen and look at me. And then the second time, we do it together. Right? Okay? So remember, to write letter sound, you need to turn a little. And then, here we go. Start from the point. Curve in. Go up. Come down with a flick. So now we are going to do it together. Bring out your magic pencil. Take it off, everyone. Let's go. 1, 2. Start from the point. Curve in. Go up. Come down with a flick. Very good. So guys, show me your elbow. Your elbow. Everyone, your elbow. Your elbow. So let's go. Start from where? From the point. Are we set to go? Start from the point. Curve in. Go up. Come down with a flick. Very good. So we need to do it again. Show me your elbow. Can we go? Start from the point. Curve in. Go up. Come down with a flick. Very good. Okay, roll for yourself, children. Roll. Bang. Very good. So now, do you remember this letter sound? S. Very good. And today, this is the sound we are learning. So, where is your reading instrument? Remember yesterday, I tell you this, your two hands are your what? Reading instruments. So bring it out. Here we go. What is the first letter sound here? S. Very good. Remember, we place it on our word arm. Say the sound. S. And the next one. Ah. Very good. You're right. Ah. So let's go. S. And ah. Again. S. Ah. Can we try and join them slowly? S. Ah. S. Ah. Very good. So look at it. We say when I taught you, give me the sound. S. Ah. S. Ah. Can we say it a little faster? S. Ah. S. Ah. Sa. So children, bring out your Jolly Phonics Pupils book. Okay, look at these 4 pictures. Can you help me touch the first picture in your book? Great! So what is the name of this picture? Can you give me the name? Spider. Very good. So do you hear sound ah in spider? Great. No. So you cross out the picture. You cross it out. Have you crossed it out? Very good. So use your magic pencil again and touch the next picture. What is the name of this picture? Arrow. Very good. So do you hear sound ah in arrow? Yeah, so you thumbs up and say yes. Great. Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? At the beginning. Very good. So use your pencil and color the picture. Have you done that? Very good. And then touch the next picture for me. Have you touched it? So what is the name of this picture? It's not spider. Look at it again. Ant. Very good. So do you hear sound ah in ant? Great. Yes. But it is at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Great. Lovely. At the beginning. So you color the picture. You color the picture. Have you done that? Okay. You touch the last picture here. Have you touched it in your book? Good. What is the name of this picture? Apple. Very good. So do you hear sound ah in apple? Sound ah in apple. Great. At the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Excellent. At the beginning. So color the picture. Have you done that? So now bring out your exercise book. I'm going to call out some sounds and you are going to write. Are you ready? Okay. You write A. Okay. You write S. Very good. You write A. S. Thank you very much. So before we end the lesson, let us look at what we have done in the lesson from our page. So these are the what? Ants that claims on Adam's hand. So the story is the story about what? Ants. And then this is Adam, who is picking up the ants from his hands. And then you see your sound. Can you remember? Ah, very good. And then here, remember, is the place where we trace our letter sound A and we practice writing our own A sound. Very good. And here is the what? Blending section. So we have what? S. Great. And A. Very good. And remember, these are the pictures we use for sounding activity before dictation and Jolly songs. So thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye, Jolly children.
And so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they're causing me alarm.
Jolly Phonics for every child today. Jolly Phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly Phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly Phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly Phonics for every child today.